Wendy works until the job is complete. She is dedicated, she is a hard worker, she is an amazing role model to everybody on her team, both within graduate studies and in the larger arena of academic affairs. Wendy's positive attitude is contagious. She brings other people up. She partners with people nicely across the campus. She's collaborative. She's innovative. She is the most inspirational on our team. She is the one who inspires everybody to work a little bit harder, push a little bit harder, do a little bit more.
I've had the pleasure of working with Wendy for several years now, primarily in the capacity of the CSUN Symposium, and I'd say she's one of the easiest people to work with. She's always on top of her game. She knows exactly what needs to be done, when it needs to be done. She anticipates the needs of the people that she's working with. It's made everyone's life easier having her around because she's the one that everyone goes to when they have a question because she has all the knowledge. I mean, it's just there.
Each time that Wendy reaches out to me to collaborate on a project that she's working on as it relates to graduate studies, she has a vision. She's a visionary. And I love collaborating with her because she values knowledge and she values meeting the needs of graduate students. In order to be successful, she's a great collaborator, great thought partner, and has all of the characteristics that leads to being an exemplary person.
For me, the Presidential Award is someone who serves as a role model in moving the campus forward. That is the definition of Wendy, somebody who moves the campus forward, who is focused on student success, who is collaborative, caring, open, honest, forward-thinking, and just a joy to be around.
The one word I would say to describe Wendy is that she's a light. She has a brightness and an aura about her, and that plays out in all of the things that she does here at CSUN.